Hello friends, in this video tutorial, let us see the data mining algorithm of association rules mining with the help of SSAS. So for the purpose of this video tutorial, let us go to SSDT, let us create a new project. So let's name the project as SSAS data mining 5, right? Let's select the first template, which is for data mining, that is multidimensional and data mining project. Click OK. Okay, let's add a new data source to our AdventureWorks DW database. Okay, so let me go to the database. So let us select AdventureWorks DW database. Let us connect with service account. Finish. Let us add DSV. We will use two views over here which are having interconnected data, linked data related to sales. Okay, one is the order item and second is order details, that is line item level view. So click next. Let's call it as DSV. Finish. Now views will not have foreign keys between them, right? So we'll have to create a relationship between them in our logical structure, right? So let us relate these two. Basically, okay, this is orders and this is line item. So let us relate these two. Let's save this and let's go to mining structures, add a new mining structure from existing data or tables or views, right? So let's go and add Microsoft Association Rules mining structure. Next, now orders is our base table, that is a case table, right? And line items is a detail table related to this main input table, so it's a nested table. Next, so now customer key is not the main primary key, so order number is the key, right? So order number is the key and we want model from the detail table, right? Also we want to predict the model, right, using this. So this will be our selection. Next, we don't want to keep 30% for testing, right? So we want to study the whole data. So let's click next. Let's call it as mining structure. Let's call this as association rules. Okay, finish. So now our association rules have been created. So let us go and deploy them, but before deploying them, let's go to our database, right? We can see that currently there is no database called SSAS data mining 5, right? Whereas if you go to properties, deployment, the name of the database is SSAS data mining 5, right? So let us provide the name of this database for deployment. Okay, now let's deploy everything. So if we go to our database now, so the new database has been created, right? And new mining structure is there, association rules, right? So now let's go to the mining model viewer. Right. So what it is telling us is, see, whenever road 250 and road tire tube are bought, then HL road tire is also bought. Okay, why? Because the probability is 1, that is 100%, and importance is more than 1, right? A value of more than 1 for importance suggests that there is positive correlation. Okay, and a value of less than 1 suggests that there is negative correlation, right? So over here there is very strong correlation, and the probability of this purchase is 100%, right? So in this way you can find out which are the associated items that are being bought together, right? What is the pattern in the purchasing behavior? Also, if you go to item set, we can get interesting things like, so let's go and make it 2, right? So this gives you which are the items which are being purchased together, right? So mountain bottle cage and water bottle have been purchased for the maximum time, that is 1623 times. Okay, so this is got the highest support, that is the highest number of times when these two items have been purchased together, right? So in this way also you can find out association between the items being bought together. If you want to find out association for 3 items, then just make it 3 over here, and we can see that mountain bottle cage, mountain 200 and water bottle are being bought together for the maximum of time, right? When we are talking about 3 items, right? So in this way also we can find out association between multiple items, right? Also, if you go to dependency network, it gives you very good diagram, right? You know which are the items that are being bought together, correct? Okay, correct. So if you want to know which are the items that are actually after buying this item, the customer tends to buy mountain tire tube, right? So after buying HL mountain tire, the customer is having tendency of buying mountain tire tube. Okay, so in this way you have to interpret this diagram, and these clusters, or let's say these diagrams, actually show us which are the items being bought together. Okay, so after touring tire tube is being bought by the customer. Okay, so in this way also you can find out the associations. Now if you want, you can also go to mining prediction, and over here also you can find out. Okay, once the things have been deployed. Okay, so what you can say over here is, let's say you want to find out that after water bottle, right, what is being bought. Okay, along with the water bottle, what is the thing that is being bought. Okay, so what we will do is we will go over here, we say prediction function, right, and let's say which are the 4 items that are being bought along with water bottle, right? So that's why I have put a 4 over here, right? So now if you go to results, okay, then it tells you that along with water bottle, sport 100 and all these 3 other items are being bought together. That is, these 4 are the items which are generally found along with the water bottle, okay, for the customer purchases. So I hope friends this video tutorial is useful to you. Thank you.